10 common English mistakes and how to fix them. Do you say he go to school? I am agree with him. I am married with him. These are wrong. Today I will show you 10 common mistakes and how to fix them so you never make them again. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to Speak Easy English. My name is Al Amin, and I'm going to tell you 10 mistakes in English. So let's start. Mistake 1. Many people say, I am agree. The correct way is I agree. No is needed. Okay, just say I agree. Mistake 2. People say he do homework every day. Correct, he does homework every day. Remember, he, she, it uses does. Mistake 3. People say I didn't went. Correct, I didn't go. After did, use the base verb. Mistake 4. Many people say, let's discuss about this topic. Correct? Let's discuss this topic. Discuss already means talk about. Mistake 5. People say she is married with John. Correct? She is married to John. Mistake 6. Return back. People say, I will return back in 5 minutes. Correct, I will return in 5 minutes. Because return already means come back. Okay. Mistake 7. People say, I have a free time. Correct, I have free time. Because free time is uncountable. No A. Okay. Mistake 8. People say she speaks English good. Correct, she speaks English well. Use well for actions. Mistake 9. People say I am good in English. Correct, I am good at English. Mistake 10. People say I prefer milk than coffee. Correct, I prefer milk to coffee. These are 10 common mistakes. Practice them every day. If you learned something new, like and share this video. Subscribe for more easy English tips. Thank you.